In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and customize Lottie animations into your Webflow project using the LottieFiles app. Let's dive right in and transform your site with dynamic visuals. First things first, we're going to start by navigating over to the Apps section within Webflow. This is where you'll find the LottieFiles app, a valuable tool for adding animations to your project. Once you're there, look for the app and click on Install. It's a straightforward process, and what you'll be doing is authorizing the app for your specific project. This allows the app to interact smoothly with your Webflow project. After you've successfully installed it, you'll be able to click Launch, and this will open up the LottieFiles panel directly within your Webflow designer. This panel is crucial as it enables you to browse, select, and customize animations with ease. Now that the LottieFiles panel is up and running, let's move on to selecting and inserting an animation. Within the app, you'll notice two key tabs: the Discover tab, which is perfect for exploring public animations available for everyone to use, and the Workspaces tab, tailored for your private files, giving you access to exclusive designs you've either created or curated. Take your time to browse through and click on the animation you wish to use. Once you've found your desired animation, simply click Insert Animation. This action will seamlessly integrate the animation into your Webflow site, placing it right on your canvas, ready to be tailored to your project's needs. Following that, it's time to delve into customization. This is where the fun really begins. You'll see the animation pop up on your canvas, and from there, it's all about tailoring it to fit your creative vision. Using the Settings panel, you can adjust various aspects of its appearance. For starters, if you want to change the colors, the app provides a handy color palette tool, allowing you to tweak hues before you even insert the animation. If you're looking to have the animation play continuously, make sure to check the loop box in the settings. For those interested in adjusting the pace, you can change the playback speed. A value of 0.5 will slow it down, giving it a more serene feel, while a value of 2 will speed it up for a more dynamic visual. Lastly, don't forget about interactivity, which is a powerful feature within Webflow. By heading over to the Interactions tab, you can set up unique triggers like hover or on-click. This means you can control how and when the animation plays based on user interaction, adding a layer of engaging interactivity to your design. And there you have it. These steps will help you not only incorporate, but also fully utilize Lottie animations in your Webflow projects with ease. With these tools and techniques, you can elevate the visual experience on your website, ensuring it stands out. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.